Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you and also tell you how you can recover deleted posts in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So, let's get to our topic today. And let's say I'm about to delete a post from my page. And I'm going to show you how to easily restore it. So I'm deleting a and now as you can see, it disappears from my feed instantly. And in order to restore it, you'll need to go to the top on the right-hand side of the three bars and click. Next is Settings. And then scroll down a little bit and find your activity. If you have your activity in the menu like I do, find it here. Then, when you get to your activity, find the recently deleted section. This is where you'll be able to see your recently deleted posts. And let me tell you right off the bat, they will be permanently deleted within 30 days from the day they were removed from your page. That is, if it's been, let's say, you deleted a post a week ago, then there will be 21 days until they are completely deleted from Instagram. And you will be able to restore them at any time. To do that, you just need to open the deleted. Click on the three dots at the top and click Restore. Confirm your actions. Now go back to the page. You can refresh it. And as you can see, the post was instantly deleted. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to restore deleted posts in Instagram app. I hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.